Hi, Haphie's helpers. Welcome to Climate CrossFit in Omaha, Nebraska. I'm Haphie, and how do we spell my name? H-A-P-H-I-E. Haphie, and today we're gonna go over some fitness. So follow me to the whiteboard and let's go over it. Come on. Boom, 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 boom. I love fitness. Doom, 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 doom. Hey, do you wanna learn how to get some free stuff from my channel? Well, wait till the very end of this video and I'm gonna show you and tell you how. All right, let's go over the exercise on the whiteboard. Today we're gonna do an exercise called the Crazy Eights. And it's an 8-minute AMRAP of 8 wall balls, 8 V-ups, and 8 L handstand push-ups. So 8-minute AMRAP means as many rounds and reps as possible of these 3 movements. So that's 8, 16, 24, and we're just gonna keep going through them. We're just gonna cycle it. So let's do a quick warm up and then we'll get to exercising. Let's go. All right. So what I want you to do is I want you to take your hand, I want you to put it across, and I want you to warm up them shoulders. So give it to me for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your other hand, reach across, give it to me for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your arms, extend them out like this, and do circles. These are called windmills. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now go backwards. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, great. Let's go over our first exercise, okay? It's gonna be the wall ball. So, all we're gonna do is we're gonna pick up the wall ball, we're gonna bring it up, we're gonna squat down, and we're just gonna throw it against the wall. Yeah, wall ball, right? So, squat down, pick it up. 2, squat down, pick it up. 3, 4, and then drop it. And that's really gonna work our legs and our shoulders. The next exercise we're gonna do is called a V-up. So you're gonna get down to the ground, and if you're at your house, you can go to your couch, and you can go to the leg of your couch, you can just grab onto the pole, or the couch leg, and you just bring your feet up. And this really works out your core. 2 and 3. And that's called a V-up. And our very last exercise is called the L handstand push-up from the floor. So all you're gonna do is you're gonna get down on your knees. You're gonna bring your hands out, about shoulder width apart, right? Shoulder width apart. And then you're going to bend down, touch your head, and come right back up. And we're gonna do that for 8 times as well, okay? All right, and that's how we do each one of our movements. Are you guys ready to do some exercising? Yeah? Let's do it. All right, guys, we got 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Go, grab your wall ball, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. All right, let's do our V-ups. All right, we sit on the floor, right? We're gonna bring our legs up. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's really getting in my tummy. All right. Okay, here we go. All right, this is for the L handstand push-ups from the ground, okay? So bring your hands out, and we're gonna touch our head to the floor. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Whew, good job. All right, now you guys are going to count, okay? So we're going to do the wall balls next, and I want you guys to count every rep. Here we go. Remember, there's 8 of them. Did you count 8? I got 8. All right, let's go do some V-ups. All right, guys, I want you to count. All right, here we go. That was 8. All right, it's time to do the L handstand push-up from the floor. All right, hands down, shoulder width apart. Let's touch our hips to the floor. Let's go. Oh, yeah, I feel it in my shoulders. All right, time for the wall balls. Let's do it. Woo. Help me count. Let's go. All right, 8. All right, back to the V-ups. V-ups, V-ups. Woo. Here we go. All right, great job. Woo. All right, let's do the L handstand push-up from the floor. We're halfway home, we're almost there. All right, let's keep it moving. All right, hands shoulder width apart, head to the ground. All right. Ooh. All right. Woo. Hey, let's get to the wall balls. Let's count. Let's go. Ooh. Woo. Woo. All right, let's do V-ups. Whew. Make sure you're breathing. Woo, I need a break. All right, let's get to the L handstand push-ups. All right, hands out, head to the ground. Here we go. Whew. We have 2 minutes left. 2 minutes, we're almost done. Oh man. Whew. All right, check it out. Here we go. Count with me, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Woo. Woo. All right, we gotta do some V-ups. All right, come on, let's go. Grab that pole, grab that rail, wherever you're on. Let's do them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh man, my tummy is gonna be sore tomorrow, guys. We have 45 seconds. Let's knock these out, all right? The Yale handstand push-ups from the floor. Here we go. You ready? Let's do it. And 6, and 7, one more. 8. Oh, we got a little bit of time left. Whew, let's see if we can make it back to the wall balls. Oh. All right, come on. Just a little bit left. Give it all you got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh man. Woo, you guys did great. Happie's out of breath just a little bit. Woo, get the heart rate down, right? Get the heart rate down. Man, you guys did such a good job. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to learn how to get free stuff, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel. Make sure you watch these videos and like them. And the next 25 subscribers will put me at 175. And then I will send something out to one lucky person, okay? It could be fitness stuff, it could be happy stuff, like such as toys. So, whew, Happie's still out of breath a little bit. All right, well, this concludes our video. How do we spell my name? H-A-P-H-I-E. Haphie, and that's it. You guys have a great day. Goodbye.